Good morning and welcome to today's session. We're really delighted that we're finally able to host this session because we've been planning this from a very long time, but because of the pandemic we could not have this earlier. See, all of you know that pregnancy is one of the most beautiful journey in a woman's life, right? The ability of a woman to give birth to a new life is something very unique, and that is why women are special, right? A lot of you, when you come to us, the most common questions that you ask us is, what is a diet? What should we eat? What should we not eat, right? So that is why we wanted to make sure that all of you are informed. So we've included a diet session in this. Apart from this, I know most of you would want to have a normal delivery, right? So what are the things that you can do to have a normal delivery? The most important being exercise. That is why we want to stress and let you know what are the exercises that you're supposed to do. And that is why we have Palak, our senior physiotherapist. She will tell you what are the exercises, what are the breathing techniques that you can follow during pregnancy and in labor as well. Okay. Another important complaint that we get from you all is back pain, right? I think each one of you have come and said, I have back pain, doctor, I have leg pain. So she will also address that issue, right? How to overcome back pain during pregnancy. After this, we will also have, you can come down and meet us, your respective doctors. I just want to introduce our team to you, okay? At Aster, we have 4 consultants. I'm not sure if you're familiar with everyone. I'm Dr. Shivani. Apart from me, we have Dr. Sunil Ishwar, who's our lead consultant. We have Dr. Bhavna Mishra, Dr. Smriti. So 4 of us are there and we work as a team. Why I'm introducing my team is because the uniqueness of our team is such that we work with all our patients together so that we can even increase your chances of having a normal vaginal delivery. So please make utmost use of today's session, right? You have any doubts, please clarify. See, this is just a complimentary first session, so we may not be able to cover everything. If you find it interesting, please let Naseem know so that we can arrange these sessions at regular intervals for you all. All right, we can even do online if you're worried about, coming to the hospital repeatedly. Palak can do even online sessions with you all. All right, that's great. So we'll start off. I'll call Dr. Raksha to take over. Dr. Raksha is a senior specialist in our department. She's also a gynecologist. She's more into talking about breathing exercises and something called Garbha Sanskar. Okay, so she will be able to give you the details in a better way. All right.
It's an amazing session. So where we will be teaching, like how to train your baby. Like most of the baby's development takes place in the womb itself. So the physical development or mental development, it takes place in the womb. So most of the the mother's positive thought and positive attitude, it impacts the baby. So we usually train the mothers like the desired qualities in you, like whatever the desired qualities you think of, like of having in your baby, can be achieved through Garbha Sanskar. So in Garbha Sanskar, what we do is we do certain sessions are there, like mind training sessions are there, visualization is there, and womb talking techniques are taught, and also certain like talking and communicating with the good qualities. So how these sessions are done, and along with that, something called music therapy. Okay, the music therapy has a very good impact on the baby. So those sessions are usually taught in the Garbha Sanskar classes. So it is a combination of sessions where you will be having mainly we start off with breathing exercise, then we continue with the certain Omkar mantra chantings and all. So you can see like certain like in few mothers which has been documented that like if few mothers who have listened to certain type of music or certain type of mantras, or when they do prayers, once the baby is born, even the baby starts recognizing it. Okay, and also the baby, when you listen to certain type of music, you can see most of them are in 3rd trimester now. So you can see the baby, sometimes even the baby responds to that particular type of music. So we just help you to stimulate like what the positive thoughts in you, and we make sure that throughout the pregnancy, the 9 months, the positive thought is built in you, and whatever the desired qualities you are thinking of can be achieved in the baby. So we'll just start with this. Is like I'm just giving a short introduction about what is Garbha Sanskar. So in brief, it is a very vast topic. So we'll just start with the breathing exercise and just a glimpse of music. I'll just play the music. I'll just tell you, I'll give you an instruction. You can just follow those instructions. You can just place your yoga mats. So I'll just teach you 2 mudras so that when I instruct, you can just follow those things. So you can just hold your hand like this. So this is chin mudra, okay? And then through the right hand, you can just close the first 2 fingers and make a distance from your thumb and the 4th finger, okay? So this is Vishnu mudra. So when I say Vishnu mudra, you can just make this, okay? And when I say chin mudra, you can just place your hands over your thighs, okay? Okay. So you can just close your eyes. Okay. Just close your eyes, spine straight. Yeah. Just concentrate on your breathing. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Just inhale and exhale. Now you can place a chin mudra over your thighs. Just you can place, yeah, both, just facing upwards. Yeah. Take a deep breath in. Breathe from your nose and exhale. So now we will be doing a intercostal breathing. So you can just open your eyes for a second. So you can just place both the hands straight like this. Make a L shape and just place over your side ribs. Yeah. Now take a deep breath in. Feel the expansion and just slowly exhale. Yeah, we'll repeat this. Breathe in and breathe out. Yeah. So now just close your eyes. You can place in the chin mudra. Yeah. So now make a Vishnu mudra from your right hand. Just, okay, you can just see. For the first time, I'm just giving you an instruction. Okay, you can just place this. Try to get towards your nostril. You can just remove your mask if you want. Yeah. Yeah. So just place the thumb, shut the left nostril and take a deep breath from your right nostril and slowly exhale from your left nostril. Now inhale from your left nostril and slowly exhale out from your right nostril. Repeat this cycle. Now close your eyes. Inhale from your right nostril and slowly exhale out from your left nostril. Now inhale through your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Again, inhale through your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. Yes. So now we will be doing another breathing exercise called Brahmari Pranayam. So you can just place your hands close to your ears. From using your thumb, you can shut your ears, and using your fingers, you can just close your eyes. Okay. And just take a deep breath in. When you exhale, just close your lip and make a humming sound. Okay. You can just repeat after me. Okay. Just close your ears, close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Now when you are exhaling, make a humming sound. Okay, you can just repeat after me now. You can just take out the chashma, remove this. Yeah. Now you can feel the vibration when you are making this humming sound. This vibration is very soothing for the baby also. Okay, so you can just close your eyes, shut your ears, close your eyes, take a deep breath in. When you exhale, make a humming sound. Inhale and exhale. Make a humming sound. Make a sound. You have to feel the vibration. Again, inhale, exhale, and make a humming sound. You have to be loud. Inhale, and exhale. So you can feel the vibration. Just close your eyes and just place your hands down. Just close your eyes. So I'll just play a music. You can just feel the music and you can imagine the desired qualities in your baby.
कोमल वाचा दे रे राम, विमल करणी दे रे राम, प्रसंग ओळखी दे रे राम, धूर्त कळा मज दे रे राम, हितकारकते दे रे राम, जन सुखकारक दे रे राम, अंतर पारखी दे रे राम, बहुजन मैत्री दे रे राम, विद्या वैभव दे रे राम, उदासीनता दे रे राम, मागो नेणे दे रे राम, मज न कळे ते दे रे राम, तुझी आवडी दे रे राम, दास म्हणे मज दे रे राम, तुझी आवडी दे रे राम, दास म्हणे मज दे रे राम, संगीत गायन दे रे राम, अलाप गोडी दे रे राम, धात मात्रा दे रे राम, अनेक धाटी दे रे राम, रसाळ मुद्रा दे रे राम, जाड कथा मज दे रे राम, दस्तक टाळी दे रे राम, नृत्य कला मज दे रे राम, प्रबंध सरळी दे रे राम, शब्द मनोहर दे रे राम, सावधपण मज दे रे राम, बहुत पाठांतर दे रे राम, दास म्हणे रे सद्गुण धाम, उत्तम गुण मज दे रे राम, पावन भिक्षा दे रे राम, दीन दयाळा दे रे राम, अभेद भक्ती दे रे राम, आत्मनिवेदन दे रे राम, तद्रूपता मज दे रे राम, अर्थारोहण दे रे राम, सज्जन संगति दे रे राम, अलिप्तपण मज दे रे राम, ब्रह्मानुभव दे रे राम, अनन्य सेवा दे रे राम, मज विण तू मज दे रे राम, दास म्हणे मज दे रे राम, दास म्हणे मज दे रे राम, दास म्हणे मज दे रे राम.